Bitcoin trades above $70,000. Ether stays below $3,700. Metaplanet shares soar as Japanese firm mimics MicroStrategy on Bitcoin buying. BCB Group moves custody of digital asset operations to Metaverse platform. Crypto.com gets green light to trade in Dubai. Microsoft AI to make long-term investments in the UK. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower as investors opted for caution ahead of Fed minutes and US consumer inflation data release. Fresh inflows into exchange-traded funds gathered pace and started the second quarter on a strong note, while snapping 2 continuous weeks of outflows helped Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap, trade near the $70,000 mark. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how global crypto market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.7% at 89,650 points. The virtual digital currencies are benefiting from the homogeneous rally experienced in crypto-related activities. Overnight gains in Coinbase, the only US-traded crypto exchange, MicroStrategy, the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, and BlackRock's Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, points to the improvement in investor sentiment. Meanwhile, analysts believe that the altcoins are super undervalued, hence are getting ready for the up move. Bitcoin is expected to test fresh records after breaking through a so-called triangle resistance, according to technical analysis by 10x Research. CoinShares reports that digital asset investment products have strong bullish sentiment last week, with inflows totaling $646 million. Year-to-date inflows of $13.8 billion are at an all-time high. Furthermore, Ethereum accelerated 8% in spot crypto markets amid an uptick in investor sentiment and optimism among derivatives traders. The asset hit an intraday high of $3,722 on April 9th, outpacing Bitcoin and most of its closest peers, according to CoinGecko. In contrast to meme coins, the Bitcoin surge and the altcoins run lagged further. Meme coins like Bread, Book of Meme, and Cat in the Dog World, which were launched in March 2024, saw some of the most amazing gains. Remarkably, Solana-based meme coin Book of Memes created a major stir and offered investors 20x returns on investments. Meanwhile, Dog with Hat, which went viral and started the current meme coin mania, has gained 2,721% quarter to date, while Bread also registered huge gains with 7,727% at the end of quarter one compared to its debut price. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $2.64 trillion mark, decreasing 1.5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume increased by 24% to $98 billion. In another piece of news, XRP, the 6th largest digital asset, has seen an 88% increase in trading volume worth $1.56 billion, driven by bullish sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Moving on, Polkadot has reached an all-time high in active addresses with over 600,000 by the end of March. Moonbeam accounts for 41% of these addresses, while Polkadot created 191,000. Well, Ethena Labs' native token ENA has experienced a 15% increase following the announcement of Season 2, which includes a 50% increase in rewards for a portion of users. However, blockchain analytics firm Look On-Chain reported that 3 wallets withdrew 11.9 billion ENA, which is $15.23 million from Binance to stake. US stock futures traded positive as investors looked ahead to the release of key inflation data. Futures tied to the S&P 500 rose 0.1%, Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.1%, while Dow Jones Industrial Average futures dropped 0.02%. Bitcoin was trading at $70,400, down 2.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.1%, trading at $3,623. BNB was down by 2.3% to trade at $583. Solana as well was down 4% and was trading at $175. Cardano's AD token was down by 0.6% to trade at $0.6. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $48, lower 4%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 0.1% to trade at $0.93. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 5.3% at $0.19. Shiba Inu was trading down by 2.3%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.6, down 0.1%. Polkadot Polkadot was down by 0.7% to trade at $8.9.
Thanks, Ruchi, and now back to the headlines. Metaplanet, a Web3 infrastructure provider, saw its Tokyo-listed stock rise almost 90% in 2 days after saying it was adding $6.56 million in Bitcoin to its balance sheet in partnership with Sora Ventures, Morgan Creek Capital's Mark Yusko, and others. The company, which started as a budget hotel operator under the name Red Planet before becoming a Web3 software developer, said it is looking to minimize its exposure to the Japanese yen. The yen, the company wrote in an update to shareholders, has been damaged by Japan's generation-long low-interest rate environment that has eroded its position as a key global currency. In March, the central bank increased short-term interest rates to 0.1% from minus 0.1%, the first increase in the rate for 17 years. Metaco, a Swiss crypto custody firm owned by Ripple, said BCB Group, a crypto payments firm, consolidated governance of its digital asset custody operations onto its flagship platform. London-based BCB Group, having migrated its operations from a third-party digital asset technology provider, is now using Metaco's custody orchestration platform, the company said in a statement. The move allows the payments firm to consolidate its custody technology into a single platform to secure and govern its digital asset operations. While BCB provides payments and trading services for some of the world's largest crypto institutions, including Bitstamp, Crypto.com, Gemini, and Kraken. Crypto.com's Dubai-based entity CROTAX Middle East FZE has secured full operational approval from Dubai's Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority, or VARA, making it the first crypto exchange to be allowed to operate with fiat currency in the United Arab Emirates. According to April 9 announcement, the operational approval granted by VARA follows Crypto.com's successful fulfillment of pre-operational conditions outlined in the Virtual Asset Service Provider license awarded to CROTAX Middle East FZE in November 2023. Crypto.com said its next step is to introduce its exchange for institutional investors. It will cater to institutional clients and qualified retail investors with services including spot trading, staking, brokerage, and over-the-counter offerings around settlements for selected markets. Crypto.com was initially founded in Hong Kong in 2016 and currently operates out of Singapore. However, over the past year, it has been expanding its reach around the world. Microsoft's AI arm is making a long-term bet on the United Kingdom as it launches its new AI hub in London. In a blog post, Microsoft AI Executive Vice President and CEO Mustafa Suleyman said the company plans to invest long-term in the region. The executive said the company will actively hire passionate innovators who want to contribute to their goals in the coming weeks and months. Suleyman said these individuals will work on the most interesting and challenging AI questions of our time. On March 19, Microsoft AI hired Suleyman to lead its AI initiatives as its CEO and executive vice president. Suleyman co-founded the AI startup DeepMind, which Google acquired in 2014. Suleyman's statement came as he announced the creation of an AI hub in UK. The hub's goal is to advance AI language models and their infrastructure. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Solana. Velo and Solana Foundation have partnered to establish a clearinghouse for Laos digital gold transactions. Velo will serve as the infrastructure layer and clearinghouse, while Solana will be the blockchain settlement layer. The project's aim is to promote interoperability and a connected ecosystem by linking Solana's blockchain, Nova, and EVM-compatible chains. Velo will implement liquidity management protocols on the Solana blockchain, while Velo will ensure the smooth running of Laos gold by validating transactions, upholding trust, and executing contractual obligations. Next on the list, we have XRP. Cryptocurrency trading volume for XRP has surged by 88%, worth $1.56 billion due to bullish sentiment in the market. The surge is fueled by increase and reclaiming prior levels. XRP has extended its recovery from a low of $0.5 to $0.6. Digital asset investment products experienced strong bullish sentiment last week, with inflows totaling $646 million. Year-to-date inflows are at an all-time high of $13 billion, surpassing the previous record of $10.6 billion in 2021. Next on the list, we have Aave. A proposal to activate a fee switch to distribute fees to Aave token holders is underway, aiming to emulate Frax Finance's fee switch. Aave DAO has discussed DAI collateral restrictions, with Chaos Labs proposing a 12% decrease in DAI loan-to-value ratios. Aave has launched a new proposal to set DAI's loan-to-value ratio to 0% across all Aave deployments and recommends removing S-DAI incentives from merit programs starting from merit round 2 and onwards. This move aims to reduce net profits from approximately $60 million annually. Next on the list, we have DYDX. DYDX is investigating a major outage on its chain following a scheduled upgrade of its version 4.0.0 protocol. The upgrade, which introduced improvements like conditional order improvements and community-enabled slashing, halted block production 20 minutes after the maintenance. The DYDX team assured that they were debugging the issue, but continued investigating 3 hours later, suggesting a potential delay in its resolution. The DYDX ecosystem experienced its first significant outage since moving from Ethereum to Cosmos, but the project's token remained unaffected. Next on the list, we have Polkadot. Polkadot has reached an all-time high in active addresses with over 600,000 by end of March. Moonbeam accounts for 41% of these addresses, while Polkadot created 191,000. The number of unique accounts with non-zero balances is also increasing. However, total transactions remain subdued, with Polkadot seeing 11.58 million monthly transactions in March, slightly up from 10.8 million in April, but far below December 2023's 31.78 million. Polkadot's DOT token fell 3.3% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.